And here we have the rooms of the Saxon Warehouse. Again, as I was saying, ceiling heights in excess of 30 feet. All this piping will be removed, and then electric lines brought in. Many rooms here that can be, the walls can be opened up. We have offices. There's an additional, you see down there, additional space. We'll take a walk over there. But all these rooms are connected, but these cinder block walls could all be removed. So as you're walking around, you can see a pretty big space here. Lots and lots of room. Then this section here is going to be removed. That's it calls for right now to go away. If there was a reason to preserve it, we would. The extra space. It goes up 4 floors from here, and I'll catch that on the way around. This is the old boiler room. And you can see over there the old historic section that burned in 2012. We'll come back to that in a moment. But the steel section that was slated to tear down, right there, it goes up, it looks like 4 floors. This was a big plant. And then if coming into here, I have another section. And we are going to take this apart, bring it down. And all this area I'm walking on, this is all concrete slab here. You see all the bricks on the ground. Those will all be salvaged. Lots of brick. But this is the area that burned down. It was quite a shame. It was slated to be a renovation. And these piles here are all the remaining brick that weren't salvaged from when we took down the other side. You see this wall here is the only thing that remains, and then there was walls all the way around here. You can see here the back side of the powerhouse. All that'll be removed. But making our way, all this will be cleared off, and there's concrete under here. Much like as I'm walking forward, you can see the concrete there. So, lots of space here for whatever application. It's a really big footprint. There's another building over there. I get an idea of that smokestack going up there. But yeah, there's that. That's one of the sections that'll all be removed. And again, all these walls will be coming down, and we'll salvage all the brick out of that and keep going. So, yeah, we got piles and piles here. Spent a lot of time cleaning it up. And I'll try to motor through this because it is a big property, and it's, we could be here forever just showing all the parts of it, so I'll just pick up the pace here. Again, here's the historic common wall. Coming here, walking up into another room, another warehouse area. And this was slated to go, but it's actually in pretty good shape. Bar joist ceiling. It's got a double-decker layer there. And if there was a reason for maybe bringing the old historic wall down and leaving this in place, that could be looked at as well. A lot of space. So, and that's not even counted when we were talking about the original 100,000 on the warehouse. And we got a ramp going down to the second large warehouse. Going. And you can see big space. And these are about 30-foot ceilings or better. A little roof work to do over there, but 4-bay truck dock. and then a access point here. I've had trucks and equipment come in and out of here. So lots of potential here. A lot of cleanup to do. There's another building down there, and our property goes all the way past down to that fence line where that other building is, and comes around. You can see we have some big utility lines on site as well. So big space. And we also have large fire ponds over here that, well, maybe not ideal for irrigation. They got some big bass in them. And I don't know if we can get over there and show you that, but you can see going down, there's the cotton warehouses down there, and this is that other building I spoke about next to the powerhouse. So I'm going to just kind of zip around here. It's a big place. Lots to do here to get it cleaned up. But we've had worse. So we're coming back here. Open space here. And then I don't know if you can see the fire ponds. Actually quite nice, these ponds. And a couple of geese. And there it is. We're back to see the powerhouse, stack, backside of the historic section. So there it is for now. Let's give you a general idea. It's 27 acres here. 25 of it is right where I'm standing. There's 5 acres of fire ponds, and then there's 2 acres across the street of parking. So there it is. So long from Saxon, South Carolina.